NCS Connects, Health and Wellness. The purpose of this activity is to learn and practice techniques to calm oneself down in times of stress and to develop self-awareness. In order to take part in this activity, you will need to find a quiet area. Step 1. Find a comfortable area and a chair to sit in and close your eyes. Make sure that your feet can touch the floor. Step 2. Start breathing in and exhaling to the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Step 3. Bring your focus to your body next. Notice how your body feels and how your legs and feet feel. Notice how your back feels against the chair or surface in which you're sitting. Notice the texture of the fabric and how the seat feels. Step 4. Imagine your feet are pushing down into the ground. Picture your energy draining down from your mind and out through your feet into the earth. Step 5. As the energy drains from your head, notice how heavy each part of your body feels as you relax those muscles. Step 6. Feel the sense of heaviness going down into and through your legs, through your feet, and ultimately down into the ground. This activity will provide you the opportunity to recognize grounding as a way to calm down quickly, and it is an excellent tool for developing self-awareness. Grounding is another term for connecting with the earth and bringing your focus into the present moment, similar to mindfulness.